Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English Exphub. To truly master English, begin by immersing yourself in the language every single day. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to active engagement, whether it's listening to podcasts or reading articles. Next, seek out opportunities to speak with native English speakers. This is crucial for developing natural conversational skills and building confidence. Finally, make active listening a priority, focusing on understanding different accents and contexts. To deepen your Exphub learning, integrate authentic English materials into your routine. Watch TV shows, listen to music, and read news articles that genuinely interest you. This makes learning enjoyable and relevant. Additionally, commit to regular writing practice. Even short journal entries can significantly improve your grammar and vocabulary. Don't forget to participate in online English forums or communities to apply your skills in real-time discussions. To truly boost your English progress, start by setting clear, measurable goals. For example, aim to learn 10 new words each week or hold a 5-minute conversation without hesitation. Consistent review is also key. Make sure to revisit new vocabulary and phrases within 24 hours to move them into your long-term memory. Lastly, broaden your reading habits by exploring different genres, from fiction to nonfiction, to enrich your overall comprehension and cultural understanding. Staying motivated is vital for long-term English learning. Consider finding an accountability partner who shares similar goals. You can practice together and encourage each other. Remember to celebrate every small victory, whether it's understanding a complex sentence or successfully using a new idiom. These positive reinforcements keep your enthusiasm high. And hey, for those busy study days, make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.